Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to do another unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. Like I said, I bought these phones a while ago and I just had them sitting around. I have not been able to make a video of them just yet, but this is a Samsung SPH-A600 on Sprint. Looks like the screen will rotate around. It doesn't have a battery, so it's obviously going to be untested. I don't see a water indicator on this one either. Looks like the headphone jack cover is got that really rubbery stuff that Samsungs usually have that's falling apart, so that's always great. Yeah, pretty decent condition it looks like, I would say. So let me see if I can look at the LCD or not. Wipe it down. The LCD looks to be good from what I can see. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.